Hello viewers, welcome back to Cooking and DIY. Today I'm gonna cook for you a delicious risotto rice recipe. Very yummy, very delicious. Make sure you watch the video from start to finish. Also make sure that you give me a like, leave a positive comment and subscribe so you'll never miss the next video. These are the ingredients for this delicious risotto rice recipe. Of course, main ingredient, risotto rice. This is some homemade green seasoning paste that I've done myself. 13 ingredients that make up this green seasoning paste. I have a couple chilies, some fresh thyme, some spring onions, and this is some mixed vegetables. One of the first things that I've done is to add some water in this pot here. What you want to do is do not add too much water. I want the rice to be nice and fluffy. I don't want it to be saggy, so not too much water. This is my mixed vegetable. I'm going to add this in the pot as well. The fresh thyme, the chili and the spring onion, I'm just going to add this in the pot. This is the green seasoning paste as well. I'm going to add this in. Let's give it a nice stir. All I'm going to do now is to add some salt and allow this to come to a boil. Something that I've forgotten to mention is I'm going to add some butter to the rice as well. There's no boiling with the vegetables, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn down the hob. My risotto rice, it has been washed properly, so I'm just going to add it into the pot. Right, so everything is now in the pot. I'm going to give this a nice stir. Make sure everything is nice and even. Get your rice nice and fluffy. You want to turn the hob down so that the rice steam, and of course you don't want too much water, so you want the water to be just above where the rice is in the pot, as in this case. Replace the lid and just allow it maybe for 20-30 minutes and allow it to steam. Okay, so this is the finished product. If you look here, the rice looks very fluffy and nice. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate your support. Please remember, give me a like, leave a positive comment and subscribe. Goodbye.